The December 2021 Pixel feature drop is a little later than usual, as it's been around 6 months since our last supposedly quarter update cadence, but this does mean new functions and features for an eligible Google Pixel. So, let's go hands-on. Before I properly get into this deep dive though, some of the added content that we're going to mention here has been slowly rolling out for selected devices, but with this OTA most people should be able to get everything we do mention. On top of that, this wouldn't be a regular feature drop without a new wallpaper for you to slap on your smartphone, so if we hit say 2,500 likes, you'll get a brand new exclusive wallpaper via the link in our pinned comment and in the description below. So let's get on with just what is new with the December 2021 Pixel feature drop. No, you can't fully customize the power button with this latest Pixel feature drop, but you can tweak it slightly. The downside here is though that you need to be using the Hold for Assistant feature, which replaces the power button with the gesture to launch a Google Assistant, and provided you own a Pixel 3 or newer, you will be able to tweak that activation length when pressing your on-device power button. It can be adjusted as required, so you can just get access to your favourite voice assistant as quickly or as slowly as you deem necessary. It's not a major feature, but it is a nice one if you do use this option. Google just keeps expanding its massive suite of accessibility tools, and the December 2021 Pixel feature drop continues that tradition. Via the Sound Amplifier app, Pixel phones are the very first such Android devices to gain a new audio enhancement, conversation mode. This feature uses on-device machine learning to benefit those that are hard of hearing or with hearing impairments. Basically, by pointing your phone using a little camera UI at any person you want to have a conversation with, the app will enhance audio and try its best to tune out background noise in louder environments. With the small viewfinder, you can just identify who you're talking to directly, then pin that participant. Doing so allows you to just put your phone down, and conversation mode will continue to enhance their speech. All in all, it's just yet another incredible new feature that goes above and beyond what we'd expect our smartphone to be able to do on a day-to-day basis. Although the enhanced Now Playing search feature has been steadily rolling out for devices over the past month or so, with the latest Pixel feature drop, it's now officially coming to more devices. Effectively, this is one of the biggest changes to what is probably one of the most underrated Pixel software features that you won't find on any other smartphone out there. Normally, Now Playing on Pixel phones uses an on-device database to fingerprint a song currently being played nearby, allowing the feature to work while offline and, more importantly, not sending your recordings to Google without your active consent. Of course, the world has a great wealth of music, the fingerprints for which cannot all be simultaneously stored on your device without taking up extortionate amounts of space, so Now Playing has a relatively narrow knowledge base of songs that you're likely to want to be identified. With Now Playing's new toggle enabled within the deeper settings section, if your Pixel can hear the music being played, but it doesn't recognise it instantly or the song instantly, you'll be able to see a new search music icon on your lock screen. Tapping this small icon presumably begins transmitting audio data to Google Search or via the assistant to be identified, and if it's able to do so, the song title and artist are shown just like normal Now Playing finds, and this expands the usefulness of the feature even more so than ever before, and it's one of those little extra tweaks that we think you will really love. Another incredible added feature that is only available on Pixel devices is that of car crash detection mode, and this has been available in quite a few regions, but that safety option is now coming to Taiwan, Italy and France, having been available since the launch of the Pixel 4 in those selected regions such as the UK, US, Germany, Spain and others back in 2019. You will have to activate this option within the settings menu, but it's one of those features that even if it saves just one life, which it already has, it's worth having on your smartphone. It's also worth noting the December 2021 Pixel feature drop also brings further language support to the Google Recorder app. You're now able to record and save audio, turn your speech into searchable words on your screen, and search through recorded audio files in Japanese, French and German on the Pixel 3 Plus after those languages debuted on the Pixel 6 series. It's also worth noting that this is great, it's just a great tool for transcribing meetings or lectures, and best of all, it's completely free. This could easily be considered more of a bug fix, but Google proves that it does listen to feedback by increasing the access to the internet, or formerly the Wi-Fi quick toggle. You're now able to access this toggle from your lock screen, which restores a feature that was available on Android 11 and lower for quite some time. However though, you will need to enter your device PIN, password, pattern, scan a fingerprint or use Face Unlock to actually switch from one Wi-Fi to a network to another. That part is not exactly new and has been around for a while, so it's not necessarily too much of a stumbling block. During the Pixel 6 series launch, we heard from the makers of Snapchat that Android 12's Quick Tap feature will be integrated into the photo sharing app, or at least it will be coming soon. It has taken though until this latest feature drop for the option to arrive on the Pixel 6, Pixel 4a 5G and Pixel 5 hardware though. In settings you can enable Quick Tap to Snap, which will just quickly open Snapchat and take a photo. This even works on the lock screen, which goes beyond the standard open app feature, which is already available when using Quick Tap with other third-party applications and third-party app functions. Also starting from this month, Pixel phones will get an exclusive Pixel Face lens that you can add to any Snapchats with more promised via future feature drop updates. Google has also expanded the Pixel Wallpaper collection in celebration of International Day of Persons with Disabilities. The collaboration features artwork by Dana Kearley, a disabled multidisciplinary artist from Vancouver, British Columbia. Although already available to many as part of a Google Wallpapers update, if you don't have them already, once you grab the OTA update, you should get 3 brand new wallpapers to choose from within the curated culture section. Expanding the reach of dynamic colour beyond just the home screen and on-device apps, when you reboot your Pixel once you've updated to the December security patch, you should now get a colour-coded themed boot animation. The G logo itself will be tuned to the colours that match all of the accents and hues, as you'll find as part of your chosen Android theme once you have booted into this latest patch and updated for the first time. This might not seem like a big deal, but it is a nice cohesive touch that we didn't actually expect to arrive until at least the Android 12L beta phase, which is due to arrive in the coming weeks. It's not all features and functions though. With this December 2021 Pixel feature drop, there are a number of notable software bug fixes, including for the display flickering and artifacting that some Pixel 6 owners have seen when the devices are completely powered down. Ultra-wideband has also been enabled as part of this update. It has been long awaited and it was actually disabled at the launch of the Pixel 6 Pro. Ultra-wideband connectivity, or UWB, basically allows for more accurate ranging and spatial orientation. Google is initially using the capability to improve the nearby share wireless sharing feature, but we may see some more options in the future. Although not useful to everybody out there, if you do happen to have the Pixel Buds A series, then you'll also get access with the December Pixel feature drop to the bass boost feature, which is already available on the 2020 Pixel Buds. This just basically adds a little bit more oomph and obviously depth to the $99 wireless earbuds, but the difference is quite appreciable, especially when you consider that these are quite a neutral pair of Bluetooth earbuds. It's not exactly the greatest addition to the earbuds themselves though, but it is appreciated all the same. It's running Android 6.0 or higher. All you do is open the Pixel Buds app and use the slider to adjust the bass from -1 to +4. This gives you some wiggle room to tune the bass as you see fit and tailor the audio experience a little bit more than the general bass boost toggle offers already. One thing I need to note as well, just before this video kind of ends, is that this update is actually rolling out first for non-Pixel 6 and 6 Pro devices, because there's a lot of extra fixes as a result of the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro updates with this Pixel feature drop. Some of these updates you will see initially on devices anyway, because certain features are rolling out naturally, such as the wallpapers and things like that, but it will be available over the next couple of weeks, so you will see OTA updates for Pixel 6 and 6 Pro after the initial rollout for non-Pixel 6 devices, as I mentioned. Well, that's just about everything new in the latest feature drop, but you also, of course, get that December 2021 Security Patch 2, which itself is no less important either. I want to know though if you have a favourite new function or feature that has arrived as part of the last Pixel feature drop of 2021. Be sure to let me know down in the comments sections below. Until next time, this is Damien with 9to5 Google saying thanks for watching, and I will speak to you later.